Hi there and welcome. Today we are going to be making blackened chicken legs using the air fryer. I'm going to show you how to make your own blackened seasoning. No need to run out to the store and buy your own. And I'm pretty sure you probably have everything you need to make this in your cupboard right now. The air fryer that I will be using today is the Cook's Essentials 5.3 quart. So with that, let's go ahead and get started. So the ingredients for our blackened seasoning, I'm going to start off with 2 tablespoons of paprika. I'm going to use 1 tablespoon of regular paprika and a tablespoon of smoked paprika. Now we need 1 tablespoon of garlic powder and 1 tablespoon of onion powder. 1 tablespoon of dried thyme I just added to this. 1 teaspoon of kosher salt. And I'm going to add about a half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. You could go with less or more. That is totally up to you. And that is it for our blackened seasoning. All I need to do is mix this up very well. And here is our blackened seasoning all mixed up. I'm going to go grab them chicken legs. Smells wonderful. I'm back with my chicken legs off camera. I went ahead and took some paper towels and patted these legs dry. I'm going to add a little bit of oil to these chicken legs. I'm going to be using ghee oil today. Ghee is a clarified butter. It's heated up and the milk solids are taken out. Use any kind of oil you like, or you really don't need any at all. So I'm just going to spray some in. I'm going to go in and just rub the oil into the legs. Now we are ready to add our blackened seasoning. Now I'm going to be very generous with this. Now I'm going to rub that seasoning into the legs well. I'll switcheroo here. Pop these legs in. The legs are in. We are ready to pop these into the air fryer. Okay, I have the temperature set to 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. About halfway in, we're going to flip these over. I'm guessing these are going to take 20 to 25 minutes. We are 10 minutes in of our 20. Let's go ahead and flip these legs over. Okay, I have the legs flipped. Let's put it back in for the remaining 10 minutes. Then I'll take a quick temp on these to see where we are at. Okay, our 10 minutes is up on the other side. I'm going to take a quick temp on these. These look and smell amazing. Now we are looking for 165. Okay, we're about 180 and climbing. Let's do this one right here. It's a bigger one. Okay, we are good. I am going to plate these up and we will take a taste. Goodness gracious. This is so tender and juicy. The rub is delicious. I can taste that cayenne I put in there. The garlic, thyme. See how juicy that is? Oh my goodness, this is absolutely delicious. For more air fryer chicken recipes, you can click this playlist right here. And if you haven't yet, please consider subscribing. And as always, I want to thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you next time.